Today we are exploring one of the most fascinating subjects you may have never fully understood: Blackwell, microarchitecture. What you are about to hear goes far beyond the surface. This is the full story. Blackwell is a graphics processing unit, GPU, microarchitecture developed by NVIDIA as the successor to the Hopper and Ada Lovelace microarchitectures. Named after statistician and mathematician David Blackwell, the name of the Blackwell architecture was leaked in 2022, with the B40 and B100 accelerators being confirmed in October 2023 with an official NVIDIA roadmap shown during an investor's presentation. It was officially announced at NVIDIA's GTC 2024 keynote on March 18, 2024. In March 2022, NVIDIA announced the Hopper data center architecture for AI accelerators. Demand for Hopper products was high throughout 2023's AI hype. The lead time from order to delivery of H100-based servers was between 36 and 52 weeks due to shortages and high demand. NVIDIA reportedly sold 500,000 Hopper-based H100 accelerators in Q3 2023 alone. NVIDIA's AI dominance with Hopper products led to the company increasing its market capitalization to over $2 trillion, behind only Microsoft and Apple. The Blackwell architecture is named after American mathematician David Blackwell, who was known for his contributions to the mathematical fields of game theory, probability theory, information theory, and statistics. These areas have influenced or are implemented in transformer-based generative AI model designs or their training algorithms. Blackwell was the first African-American scholar to be inducted into the National Academy of Sciences. In NVIDIA's October 2023 investor presentation, its data center roadmap was updated to include reference to its B100 and B40 accelerators and the Blackwell architecture. Previously, the successor to Hopper was simply named on roadmaps as Hopper Next. NVIDIA's updated roadmap emphasized the move from a 2-year release cadence for data center products to yearly releases targeted for x86 and ARM systems. The implications of this are extraordinary. At the Graphics Technology Conference, GTC, on March 18, 2024, NVIDIA officially announced the Blackwell architecture with focus placed on its B100 and B200 data center accelerators and associated products, such as the 8-GPU HGX B200 board and the 72-GPU NVL72 rack-scale system. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang said that with Blackwell, we created a processor for the generative AI era and emphasized the overall Blackwell platform, combining Blackwell accelerators with NVIDIA's ARM-based Grace CPU. NVIDIA touted endorsements of Blackwell from the CEOs of Google, Meta, Microsoft, OpenAI and Oracle. The keynote did not mention gaming. It was reported in October 2024 that there was a design flaw in the Blackwell architecture that had been fixed in collaboration with TSMC. According to Huang, the design flaw was functional and caused the yield, S, to be low. By November 2024, Morgan Stanley was reporting that the entire 2025 production of Blackwell silicon was already sold out. During the company's CES 2025 keynote, NVIDIA announced that the foundation models for Blackwell will include models from Black Forest Labs, Flux, Meta AI, Mistral AI, and Stability AI. Architecture process node streaming multiprocessor CUDA cores tensor cores ray tracing cores AI management processor ===. Blackwell introduces an AI management processor, AMP, a dedicated scheduler chip on the GPU built on RISC-V. It is designed to offload scheduling from the CPU to a greater degree than what previous generations did and helps the GPU better control its own resources. It is utilized through Windows Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, HAGS. That is the story of Blackwell, microarchitecture. If you found this fascinating, there is far more to discover. The world is full of subjects this deep and this extraordinary. Stay curious.